Hi guys! Following on from our idioms video a couple of weeks ago, I thought I would do one more. So today I'm going to give you 25 more idioms based on 5 different categories with 4 different idioms in each. So come along, let's see how many you knew, how many you will know after this video. As a recap, what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase where we understand all of the words in it, but it has a hidden or a different meaning. If you don't know the idiom, if you've never heard it before, it can be very difficult to understand the meaning. The phrase will sound fine to you, but you will not know what people are talking about, so they are very important to learn. Here we've broken it down into 5 categories with 4 different examples in each. Our first category of idioms is food. Everybody's favorite topic, food. Idioms about food are tasty and memorable. So let's have a look. Spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret. Okay, spill the beans. Who actually ate my chocolate cake? A piece of cake. Meaning, really easy. Don't worry about the homework. It's a piece of cake. To butter someone up. Meaning to flatter or to say nice things to someone to get something from them. Apple of my eye. Meaning, someone who is very beloved. My niece is the apple of my eye. She's so cute and smart. Mouth-watering idioms for part number 1. Let's move on to part number 2. Situation idioms. These idioms pop up in everyday scenarios, so you can sound more like a native speaker and improve your fluency by learning these ones. A blessing in disguise. Something good that seemed bad at first. Losing my job was a blessing in disguise. It pushed me to start my own business. Bite the bullet. To face difficult or unpleasant situations bravely. I hate going to the dentist, but I'll have to bite the bullet. In hot water means you're in trouble. You've done something wrong. He was in hot water after forgetting his wedding anniversary. Not a problem I have. Burn the midnight oil. It means to work late into the night. We burned the midnight oil to finish the project on time. So from tricky situations to stormy skies, let's check the weather with the forecast next. The third category, weather idioms. Weather idioms are chillingly amazing, chillingly imaginative. Let's bring in the forecast. Under the weather. It means feeling sick. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I think I need soup and bed. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means there's something good, even in bad times. Yes, you lost your wallet, but every cloud has a silver lining. You found the money you left in your jeans. To rain on someone's parade. It means to spoil someone's fun. I don't want to rain on your parade, but the amusement park is closed today. To steal someone's thunder. To take attention away from someone. Put the attention on you. They stole my thunder by presenting her project after I described mine. Rain or shine, these idioms really make language interesting. Now, let's talk about people. Fourth topic, people idioms. Idioms to describe people are like characters in your favorite shows. Big fish in a small pond. Someone important in a small group. He was a big fish in a small pond. I doubt he'd feel special at a bigger school. Odd one out. Different from the rest. Wearing a suit at the beach party. He definitely felt like the odd one out. I'm the odd one out in my family. I'm the only one not living in the UK. Don't regret it. Teacher's pet. A student favoured by the teacher. She's always helping the teacher. Definitely the teacher's pet. Every teacher has a teacher's pet. Every teacher has a student they like more than others. Not because they're better, just because maybe they get on better, they understand better. A teacher's pet. A jack of all trades. Good at many things, but not an expert. He's a jack of all trades. He can cook, fix your bike, and even play the guitar. People come in all shapes and idioms. Now, let's look at our final category, actions. Our fifth and final category, actions idioms. Action idioms are like mini stories in every phrase. Break the ice. To start a conversation. At that meeting, someone told a joke to break the ice. We always break the ice in first class, new students. First 10-15 minutes, breaking the ice. Hit the sack. It means go to sleep. You don't hit anything. It means to go to sleep. Oh, I'm so tired. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. Jump the gun. Don't jump on a gun. It's dangerous. Especially if it's a SIG P320. Jump the gun means to act too soon. He jumped the gun and announced the results without checking them. Call it a day means to stop working. Enough, to finish. We've been studying for hours. Let's call it a day. So that's it for our second idioms video. I hope you enjoyed it. 25 idioms, 5 categories, 4 idiom per category. That's quite a lot to take in. But there are so many idioms. I'll do an idiom video maybe every month, and I'll add more all the time. So these ones are super useful themes, 25 different fun idioms. Try using 1 idiom a day. You'll be speaking more naturally in no time at all. Are there any other idioms that you hear all the time that I didn't talk about in this video? If there is, let me know down in the comments below. If you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell if that's what you want to do. And to watch our next video, click here. And I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.